Hello everyone, I'm Finisha Bharat. I've completed the Advanced Electronic course from Roboprenr. Today I'm going to show you my project which can be used in the production industry, like it can be used in factories and all. Here we can get a confirmation that the product has reached the end person who's waiting in the line. So these are two IR sensors. They can sense and it will turn on the LED or a buzzer or any output device. There should be two inputs. One side of the belt where the person keeps the object will always be on because there will be an obstruction which will show that the object has been kept at all times. Then on the conveyor belt as it moves and reaches the end, we will get the person at this end will get to know that the product has reached the other end, and in between this time we can make another product. And yeah, to build this project, I've used one AND IC, two IR sensors, a relay model, and an LED bulb to show the confirmation that the product has reached. The LED bulb will turn on. So the AND IC will only switch on when both the sensors are detect two objects, or else it won't work. Only if one of them is working. So both of them have to be detected. This is used so that electric appliances can be turned on with the relay model. Thank you, and I hope you like my project. Thank you.